This is Nidhi, Product Manager of Realme India. It's good to be back to share with you our latest product offerings. Realme, as a 2-year-old international smartphone brand, has maintained its position in the top 7 globally. On our journey to become the fastest growing smartphone brand, till the end of Q1 this year, over 35 million users have joined the Realme family. Looking back at this disruptive journey, Realme is honored to grow along strongly with our dear fans. We all know that Realme is the only smartphone brand that started its operations from India and successfully has always been able to give you the latest cutting edge technologies first in India. Last year, we launched the first 64 megapixel quad camera setup in India, and it quickly became an industry standard. We have been able to give you the fastest charging technologies first in India on our X2 Pro and then on the X50 Pro. Speaking of the X50 Pro, it is India's first Snapdragon 865 flagship and 5G phone. With Realme 6 Pro, we became the first brand in India to support our nation's own satellite guiding system. We carved out a disruptive path from India to the world, unlike anyone else. Even in a difficult time like this, we will never compromise our commitment to the local community. We will be creating more direct jobs and expanding our local workforce strength to 10,000 in 2020 and hire more than 5,000 sales team members. Around 60% of Realme smartphone supplies, such as screens, batteries, internal structures, are purchased and made in India. After smartphones, we will be investing in a full production line for TVs so we can make TVs from basic components to SMT lines for core motherboards. We always believe in making world-class leading products in India only, and we have created these key Realme product series from our very own factory. Today, we will be introducing new members from the Realme series to the fans who are eagerly looking for more budget-friendly products from the Realme family. First, let's take a look at the Realme series, which we believe is the best flagship for youth in the mid-range price segment. This March, we launched Realme 6 series with 90Hz display, 30-watt flash charging, and powerful performance, which truly set benchmarks in the sub-20K segments. Our fans and media highly appreciated our Realme 6 series and considered them as the best-in-class choices. Let's take a look at what industry experts said about the Realme 6 and 6 Pro. Realme 6, as 91 Mobile said, has set a new benchmark in this price segment, while Realme 6 Pro is beautiful looking device with that X factor and great features according to TechPP and Men's XP. Not only in India, but fans around the world have been dazzled by the power and style of our Realme series, including the number and Pro models. Till date, over 10 million users globally have chosen our classic Realme series. The all-rounder experience of the Realme series has also been receiving high demand since the day it was created. And to join our latest Realme 6 series, Realme 6i is here with the same flagship level experience as Realme 6 series, such powerful performance, ultra smooth display, and flash charging experience. We have always continued to upgrade and enrich the design of our smartphones. This time, for the design of Realme 6i, we have taken the design inspiration from nature's simplicity, presenting the two serene and classy colors, Eclipse Black and Lunar White. The design of the Lunar White resembles the beam of bright moonlight falling on the snow, and the Eclipse Black resembles the polar night, giving a trendy and stylish look to the Realme 6i. Moving on to the front of the Realme 6i, let's talk about the display. The Realme 6i features a 6.5-inch punch-hole full screen with FHD Plus resolution and a 90Hz ultra-smooth display. The screen-to-body ratio has been increased to a massive 90.5% with the new punch-hole technology. With a 90Hz refresh rate, the Realme 6i also has the protection of Corning Gorilla Glass. It also supports an intelligent automatic switch of 60Hz and 90Hz display that works based on the user's situation. This unique technology not only guarantees the best display effect, but also reduces power consumption, thereby improving battery life drastically. Camera functions are one of the most stood out features of a phone. Let's check the camera options that Realme 6i has to offer. The Realme 6i is equipped with a 16 megapixel in-display selfie camera that brings to you an outstanding selfie experience. You can enjoy a variety of functions such as the AI beauty mode, portrait mode, and HDR selfie mode. We believe in giving you the best user experience, so look out for more interesting features on the Realme 6i. While I say that, we will also introduce more innovative functions such as the Nightscape portrait mode, with which you can achieve brighter and more beautiful night shots. We also offer options on amazing video functions like time-lapse and slow-motion video recording at 120 FPS with your selfie camera, which you may have seen in our other premium devices of the Realme 6 series. On the rear camera, we are bringing a 48 megapixel AI quad camera setup to the Realme 6i, offering a combination of the 48 megapixel main camera, an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, portrait lens, and a 2 megapixel macro lens. All of these give Realme 6i a well-rounded, immersive shooting experience with powerful functionalities. You will be able to click landscapes with the ultra-wide angle mode and get vivid colors on your photographs with the Chroma Boost mode. There are many more features along with this. Let's see some sample pictures. This is a picture taken from the primary camera, and you can see the level of detailing and the dynamic range in the picture. This is another picture taken during night, and just see how beautifully the picture is captured, which is bright, clear, and so alive. The Realme 6i also provides an option of shooting ultra-wide-angle videos with UIS video stabilization. It also supports slow-motion video recording and 4K video recording. Overall, I can gladly say that the camera setup of the Realme 6i offers a flagship-level photography experience for all the camera enthusiasts out there, with so many video options and photography options like AI Beauty Mode, Chroma Boost, Nightscape, Portrait Mode. All right, to the most important part, performance. I can tell you that Realme 6i will have the most powerful performance in this segment. The Realme 6i is powered by the powerful MediaTek Helio G90T. Get ready to experience the super smooth performance of MediaTek Helio G90T. It is equipped with up to 2.05 GHz octa-core CPU and Mali G76 GPU. Combining the latest GPU and CPU cores with ultra-fast memory and massive AI performance, you can get a seamless experience. Hailed as the latest professional gaming chipset from MediaTek, the powerful performance of Helio G90T has been universally recognized and praised, whether it is for daily usage or for gaming. Much like our flagship other Realme products, the Realme 6i sports the most powerful performance in this segment, with an Antutu of around 291,000. Gaming enthusiasts can have a smooth experience with HyperBoost. The Frame Boost technology releases full frame speed performance, providing intelligent prediction of high-intensity regiment combat scenarios, while Touch Boost gives you a delightful gaming experience. All in all, it truly elevates and enriches your gaming experience. Well, the versatility of the Realme 6i doesn't just stop here. Get ready to witness the best charging performance as well. The Realme 6i offers a long-lasting usage with a big 4300 mAh battery along with the latest 30-watt flash charge technology. The Realme 6i supports a 30-watt flash charge that can fully charge the phone in just 55 minutes. Now let's go through some other surprising features the Realme 6i has in store for you. It integrates fingerprint recognition and power key innovatively. It not only enhances the phone's aesthetics, but also unlocks the smartphone seamlessly and swiftly. The capacitive fingerprint button is so sensitive that unlocking happens in just 0.29 seconds. The Realme 6i comes with massive storage options of 4GB 64GB and 6GB 64GB, providing more space to store all your heavy applications, pictures, and documents. It has a dual SIM slot and an additional slot for a memory card. The Realme 6i allows intelligent switching of dual card, one for work and one for personal usage. It has dual 4G and supports expandable memory up to 256GB for you to store games, photos, and heavy files without worrying about running out of space. Let's now have a recap of the Realme 6i through a video.
Realme smartphone. Dare to leap.
Now let's sum up the exciting new Realme 6i. The Realme 6i is powered with MediaTek Helio G90T, featuring a 6.5-inch punch-hole full screen with FHD Plus resolution and a 90Hz ultra-smooth display. The smartphone has a big 4300 mAh battery for long-lasting usage and the latest 30-watt flash charge technology. The Realme 6i is equipped with a 16-megapixel in-display selfie camera and 48-megapixel AI quad camera. With the new Realme 6i, we want to offer a similar kind of experience like Realme 6 at a separate price segment. That was all for the Realme 6i with excellent aesthetics, tons of functions, and powerful performance. Now it's time to see the price. The Realme 6i 4GB 64GB is priced at 12,999. The Realme 6i 6GB 64GB is priced at 14,999. Please check the sale date to get your hands on the Realme 6i. It will be available on Flipkart and realme.com and soon in offline stores. That's all for today. We will keep introducing new products to offer you more options in each price segment. See you next time.
Realme smartphone. Dare to leap.